Welcome to Cloudy 360 computer training class. Today we are going to discuss how to protect your Excel sheets from external interference, from external manipulations. In this case, assuming that this is a result sheet, right? Or maybe you are working in an organization and you are using public computer, right? It's not your personal PC. Okay, in this very particular point, this is the result, right? And I want to change this total here, which is I can only come here, right, to change this, put like, let me say 65, and come here. You see the total have changed, right? Now, but in this very particular place, if I lock this work, nobody can change anything in this result. So how do I do it? I will move straight to this, come to this place, right? You right click. When you right click, you move straight to this place they say protect sheet. Are you seeing it? You click on it, protect sheet. Now they will ask you for a password that you will use to protect the sheet. Let me use Cloudy 360. I'll press OK. Now they will ask me to re-enter the password to make sure that the password I enter, I knew it very well. Because if I lost the password, I lost the work. Now I'll press it again, Cloudy 360. I'll press OK. Okay, that is very good. Now I have protected this work. Nobody can tamper with this work. This is it. As you can see, the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter a password. Wow, that's just it. Now this place I entered before, I cannot work on it again. So what do I do? What I have to do is to move straight to this very particular point and unprotect the sheet. I will right click here again. Take a look at this. Unprotect the sheet. I will click here. Now they will need that password that I used to protect the sheet again for me to unprotect it. I will now type Cloudy 360. I'll press OK. Wow, that is good. I have unprotected the sheet. You can come here again. I can make a change here. Let's say this is 40. Wow. You see, I can make change on that. Thank you for watching, and please share this video to your friend, and I hope you find this video interesting. It can solve your problem in the future. Please don't forget to subscribe for more video. Thank you.